Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be another question one, because like I said, I'm going to start rattling these obviously more often for you guys. So this is a question regarding, again, the EWM. And they keep saying that on some of the expensive helmets, including ESAB, that when they use this welder only, it flashes them. And you know what? I struggled a little bit when I got my first one. And I've had tons of emails regarding it. Now, generally speaking, I have the Optional from normal day to day. Again, I do advise people, ignore your shit with helmets off Amazon and stuff like that. It's each to their own, but as far as I'm concerned, is you're only born with one pair of eyes. Once they're gone, you won't be buying any helmet, you're buying a white stick. So for me, I prefer to have an expensive helmet and not so good welder until you can afford one. However, I have some of the air-fed ones on the ESAB because they're best for buck, to be fair. However, that flashes, and I remember I struggled at the time because my supplier, they swapped the helmet, it's still the same, and then they swapped the display, it's still the same, and I'm like, what was going on here? So they supplied me with a cheaper one, and that was all right. So digging around, no one kind of knew the answer, but I found out what it was. So what you do, guys, this has got a setting where not just it picks it up off the arc, but it senses it off the HF. So in which case it will never ever flash you, ever. So you go into settings. Everything under these is always under system settings majority. Come all the way to the bottom where you've got special parameters. Click on that one, blah, 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 depends, yeah, click on that, go right to the bottom, and you've got a welding helmet adjustment. Hey! Click on that, and you've got a setting from 0, 1 to 3. I find that 1's fine. If you set it to 0, it will flash. The ESABs, the Millers, honestly, it's like you're in a disco. Set it to 1, and leave it. Never had a problem. And it will never flash you guys. And that's just another advantage thing of the EWM. Now I believe the 220 Pico Pulse DC as well. I've not got one in at the minute. It's somewhere else because, like I say, I only have two Tetrices, and I have the MIG. They're my main machines, to be fair. And the one not on the cooler, she's not here at the minute because I'm just having an upgrade. That'll go to site. So that's your helmet settings, guys. So again, any little bits of issues that you do get, obviously please let me know, guys, and we'll go from there. And again, in fact, I might do another vid actually on the software setting actually, but that's it for that, guys. Thanks for watching, and that cures your helmet problem. Cheers, guys.